Live from the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, you're watching coverage of the launch of OSIRIS-REx, the Origins Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security Regolith Explorer spacecraft. This is Atlas Launch Control, and we're just under T-minus 1 hour, 20 minutes, and counting. Liftoff is targeted for 7:05 p.m. Eastern Time, the opening of a 1 hour, 55-minute launch window. There are multiple launch opportunities, one at the beginning of the window and then others that are spaced 5 minutes apart throughout the launch window should they be needed. But everything technically is going well. Weather is now 90% go. There's a 90% chance of favorable weather for launch with just a slight chance of violating the cumulus cloud rule. OSIRIS-REx is going to be boosted atop this United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket in the 411 configuration, and that is a unique configuration in that the Atlas booster and the Centaur upper stage are joined by one strap-on solid rocket booster to provide the additional thrust needed to boost the rocket and place the spacecraft in the proper vicinity in space. The launch team here at the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center has been on console since about 3 o'clock Eastern Time. Operations began about 30 minutes ago to fill the Atlas booster and the Centaur upper stage with liquid oxygen. The tanks are expected to reach flight level at about T-minus 5 minutes, which is about a minute before entering our planned 15-minute built-in hold at T-minus 4 minutes. Liquid hydrogen will be loaded into the Centaur tank at about T-minus 16 minutes. The Atlas previously was fueled with RP-1, a rocket-grade kerosene, and all fueling operations have been proceeding normally. Today begins NASA's first mission to take a sample from an asteroid and return it to the Earth. The mission will help scientists investigate how planets formed and how life began, as well as improve our understanding of asteroids that someday could impact the Earth. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft will travel to the near-Earth asteroid Bennu and bring a sample back to Earth for intensive study as part of NASA's quest to study our solar system and beyond, to better understand the universe and our place in it. And this launch vehicle you're looking at right now, provided by United Launch Alliance. All that work culminates today with the planned liftoff of Atlas and OSIRIS-REx a little bit more than an hour from now at 7:05 p.m. Eastern Time. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of OSIRIS-REx, its 7-year mission to boldly go to the asteroid Bennu and back.
Our rates look good. Starting pump speeds and injector pressures are within family. Repeat chamber pressures have plateaued, begun to ramp off.
Heard the voice of Marty Malinowski. The Atlas has begun a pitch and yaw maneuver to steer to its planned path, 28.5 degrees inclination from the equator.
SRB chamber pressure is almost plateaued at this point. RD 180 injector pressures are good.
45 seconds into flight.
Whole program is complete. Boosters throttled down.
And the Atlas rocket carrying OSIRIS-REx has gone supersonic. Standing by to pass through max Q, maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q, vehicle hydrates continue to look good.
This is the point when the mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by the Earth's atmosphere.
Signatures look good. Current altitude is 14 miles. Downrange distance is 9 miles. Current velocity 2,488 miles per hour. Range track shows vehicle progressing down the middle of the range.
In about
Starting
30
180
seconds,
continues to look
the
good. Pump
single
speed.
solid rocket booster will be jettisoned at 2 minutes 19 seconds.
And booster has throttled back down. It's now 50% of its liftoff weight. Next major event will be SRB jettison, coming up momentarily.
And
we
you
have
see the
indication
solid rocket booster jettison.
solid. Separation looks good.